Welcome guys. So in this video I'm going to show you 5 secret features you didn't know about ChatGPT. At number 1, document generator. So here you can actually input this prompt asking the ChatGPT to generate for you a CV for a particular role. In this case I'm using a graphic design. I'm a graphic designer. Yeah, and you can also try for another role, which is let's say a copywriter. So you you copy the previous prompt and change the role to a copywriter, and it's also going to give you every single detail you need to upload so it can carefully craft it out for you. Another important thing is that you can actually send, let's say, an image of what you want it to do, like this. For example, I actually sent it an image of what I wanted it to do, and at the end it gave me a link to download the PDF. Here you can actually tell ChatGPT to summarize a particular PDF. At number 2, ghostwriter. So here you can actually tell ChatGPT to write you a book, an ebook, whatever it is, an article, and you would get that done within seconds. So here you can input this particular prompt and you get to go through them and give it the information that it needs to complete those tasks. You understand? So you can actually go forward, follow it up, and you're going to get your ebook. All right. What you need to do again is you can probably change the topic. So you copy the previous prompt, change the topic. Let's say how to become a profitable trader, a profitable forex trader in 2025. And it's actually going to give you that. With its vast knowledge, it can put together many articles online and give you something that is going to worth it. You can follow it up, do the necessary things, give it the necessary information, and you have your ebook just like this. You can also create a plan so how you can publish it online to also get people to buy it and profit from it as well. At number 3, image enhancer and creator. So here you actually get to tell ChatGPT to probably enhance a particular image or create a new image as well, and it's good at that. So we have here a logo that is not actually pleasant, the quality is low, so you can get to enhance it. And here also you have a low quality image and enhanced one with ChatGPT. At number 4, role play expert. Here you can get ChatGPT to play the role of a particular character that you need. Right, so let's get into it. Here you can tell ChatGPT to act as a HR manager of a certain company, interviewing me for a particular role in the company. You can copy this prompt and you'll get the same result probably. So you get exactly what you need. You can also continue the interview by filling up the details needed, like your name and why you need the job. You feel me? So that's just the basic thing you need to do. So here you can also do change of role, like a stranger that's a girl, a girl stranger and you're trying to talk to. So you need to get ChatGPT to play that role so you can I think I find this one very interesting. So let's you can continue the conversation and go over so many things, and you're actually going to learn a lot from this. At number 5, strategist and analyst. So here you can actually get ChatGPT to help you strategize for a particular reason, a particular situation, or whatever. So here we're going to actually give it a particular prompt. Let's see how to grow a YouTube channel for within 10 days, and you will get a step-by-step process. And this is very helpful for small content creators and business owners. This can help you to create strategies that you can use to achieve different goals, right? So once you have a goal set, you head over to ChatGPT, input it, and ask for a perfect strategy, probably within some days, so you can be able to use to achieve that. And definitely it's going to help save you hours of work. Yeah, you can also input different situations like trying to get a new product. So it's actually going to give you every single thing that you need to fill up. Maybe gives you like a question that you need to answer, so it can help you to draft out a particular strategy for that. So that is everything you need to know about the 5 secret features of ChatGPT. If you enjoyed this content, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you on the next one.